Hi James, good to see you again, face to face, after all that time.
I know, it's been years, hasn't
It's been a while. So, we're here today to introduce the latest version of PicoScope 7, version 7.2. It's packed with powerful new features suggested by PicoScope users, plus some inspirational thinking by our own engineering team. All of those features are designed to make controlling PicoScope easier, whilst capturing and analysing waveforms faster, clearer and more efficient than ever before.
So one of the new features in PicoScope 7.2 is Waveform Overlays, and Trevor's got a great demonstration to show us how it works.
Right, so on the screen here you can see a triple pulse waveform that's coming through quite regularly. It looks pretty clean, but if I want to search for glitches to make sure that there's nothing going wrong with that waveform, I can use the waveform overlay features. First of all, what I'll do, I'll change the trigger mode to rapid trigger mode, and I've got it set to capture 1,000 waveforms. Now in waveform overlays, in fact, you can set it up to as many as 40,000. It's a ridiculous number. We'll take a capture. So that's it, fraction of a second, we've captured 1,000 waveforms. Then if we go to the Waveform Navigator control, you can see that there's a new control here labelled overlay. It's currently turned off. If I turn it to on, it will then overlay all of those waveforms that we just captured, and any glitches that occurred in amongst those 1,000 waveforms, they show up as overlaid individual waveforms. So you can then go through, find the individual waveforms where the glitch occurred, correlate that with other activity in your system to see what the cause and effect, well, we've seen the effect, but to see what the cause of the glitch was.
So PicoScope 7 is now available for Windows, macOS and Linux users as a free update. And you can download it from our website to take advantage of all these new features. So go to the website below and we'll see you there.